Hey guys, this is Corey with upTOP Overland. Just wanted to give you a little shop update, some things we've had going on behind the scenes for the beginning of this year and kind of where we're at with those. If you want to follow me around, I'll show you with some of the things we've been working on. One of them, and kind of the biggest thing, is our new laser. This is our laser machine. This is cutting out truss armor, and so this is just giving you kind of a insight as to how quickly we can cut the new truss armor with our new laser. We've been getting this installed, which is taking a little bit longer than we anticipated, but our goal is to drop down lead times, and this will help us do that. So with this laser, we can cut sheets of aluminum about 10 times faster than we can with our original CNC machine. We can get cleaner cuts and just produce a much better overall quality part with this machine. This machine has taken us months to get installed and running exactly as we intended to. And as you can see here, we got some automatic feeders, which just takes some of the manual labor out of it. We have our aluminum sheets here. We have 1/4 inch and we got 3/16 aluminum. These are raw sheets that this is what it looks like before it goes into our laser machine for cutting. And then we do have some finished parts over here that are prepped for powder coating. This is what they will look like before they enter our powder coating machine, or if any part needs to be bent, I'll show you the press brake next. And this is our new press brake machine that we had installed. It's not currently running up and operational right now because I don't have a technician over here, but it is fully functional at this stage. This is a 10-foot press brake. We can get intricate bends on any of our material and get the exact bend that we're looking for to best fit the rack. So this is our powder coating booth. As you can see, Justin here is powder coating some windscreens for our roof racks. Once the powder coating has been applied, we do have an oven behind us that we will use to bake the powder coating onto the part and really seal that self-black finish onto the windscreen. So this is our packing area. Once the rack has made it through the production cycle, it'll make its way over here to be packed for shipping, or we'll call pickup. We do have some back orders that we're going to be taking care of now, and then we'll focus on decreasing our lead times. Our goal is to get our lead times down to within a week and hopefully offer same-day pickup on some of our racks in the near future. And with these updates that we've applied to our facility, we fully believe that we can achieve these goals.